Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to send push notifications in Flutter using Firebase Cloud Messaging. I will explain everything step by step, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Guys, to send push notifications from Firebase, first we need to connect our Flutter project with Firebase. I have already created a detailed video on this topic and the link is available in the description below. So please watch that video first and connect your project with Firebase before continuing with this one. After successfully connecting your project with Firebase, the next step is to add the Firebase messaging dependency to our pubspec.yaml file. So go to your browser, write Firebase messaging. Click on this link. This dependency is from pub.dev website. So click on Firebase messaging, go to installing and copy this dependency. Go to Android Studio, open pubspec.yaml file and under dependencies section, add this dependency and click on pubget. Guys, please remember this dependency is very important because without it, we won't be able to send or receive push notifications. Next step is to add notification permissions in AndroidManifest.xml file. So go to Android folder, go to app, src, main, double click on AndroidManifest.xml and under manifest tag, add notifications permissions. After that, we need to initialize Firebase in our main.dart file. So go to main.dart file and in main method, write widgets flutter binding dot ensure initialized. This line ensures that Flutter is fully ready to communicate with the platform before running any async or native code. And please remember our main method will be a async method. After that, we will initialize Firebase. So write await Firebase dot initialize app. This line is used to initialize Firebase in our Flutter application. Now create a top level function. The function name will be background message handler. Background message handler, and inside this there will be a remote message class and we will name it message. The remote message class contains all the notification data sent from Firebase and this function will be a async function. So please remember this function must be a top level function, which means it should not be inside any class. This function is executed when the app is in the background or terminated state and a push notification is received. And inside this function, we will simply initialize the Firebase because Firebase need to be initialized before handling any background messages. So next we need to register this background message handler function inside the main method. So write Firebase messaging dot on background message and inside this we will pass the name of this function. Alright, these steps tells Firebase which function should be executed when a notification is received while the app is in the background or terminated state. Next, we need to create a notification service class. So right click on lib, go to new and create a new file named notification service. Inside this file, we will create a class and the class name will be notification service. And inside this class, we will get Firebase messaging instance by writing Firebase is equal to Firebase messaging dot instance. This instance will allow our app to send, receive and handle push notifications. After that, we will create a function named request notification permission and this will be an async function. And inside this method, we will get a notification settings object from Firebase. This object stores the current status of the user's notification permission. Now using await messaging dot request permission, we will request notification permission from the user. The await keyword pauses the execution until the user either allows or denies the permission. And inside the request permission method, we can specify different options to tell the system what type of notification access we want. Alert permission allows notification to appear as pop-ups on the screen. Batch permission allows showing the notification count on the app icon. Critical alerts are high priority notifications such as emergency alerts extra And sound permission allows notification to play a sound when they arrive. We can add custom sound as well if we want. Finally, using this settings object, we can check whether the notification permission has been granted or not. So if we will check if settings dot authorization status is equal to authorization status dot authorized, this means notification permission has been granted. So we will print here permission granted by user, and else if we will check else if settings dot authorization status is equal to authorization status dot provisional. This permission is for iOS devices, permission granted provisionally, and in else user denied permission. So we will print permission denied by user. So guys, next we will create a new function to get a FCM token. And what is FCM token? I will explain it. Let me first create a function to get FCM token. This function will return a string. The name of the function will be get FCM token. This will be an async function. So inside this function we will get FCM token using Firebase messaging. So messaging dot get token. This line will give us an FCM token, and we will store this token inside a string. So here I will create a nullable string token is equal to, so this token will be stored in this token string, and here we will print it so that we can use it later, token, and finally we will return this token. Alright, so now let me explain what is an FCM token. Firebase uses FCM token to uniquely identify a device and send notifications to it. FCM token is extremely important when working with push notifications. Without this token, Firebase cannot target or identify a specific device. Now go to home screen, and inside init state method we will create an object of our notification service class is equal to notification service, and using notification service object we will first request permission, and then we will call notification service dot get FCM token. So that's it guys, the coding part is now complete. Let's run the app and see what happens. The app is now asking for notification permission, so we will allow it. As you can see in the console, we have successfully received the device token. We will copy this token and use it to send a push notification to this app from the Firebase console. Now let's test the push notifications. My app is in now background. Go to Firebase console, click on your Firebase project, go to run, click on messaging, click on create your first campaign, select this option Firebase notification messages, click on create, and here we will write our notification title. I will write test title, and here we can write notification text. I will write this is test notification. Now click on send test message button, paste the FCM token, click on add button, select your FCM token from here and click on test button. Now go back to Android Studio, and here you can see that push notification has been received in the notification bar. Guys, keep in mind that the push notifications will only be showed when the app is in the background or terminated state. If you want to show notifications while the app is open or in the foreground, you will need to use Flutter local notification. We will cover that in the next video. Now let me kill this app and go to Firebase console. I will send another test notification and click on test button. Go to Android Studio. My app is currently killed, and you can see that I have received push notification in the notification bar. So guys, that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.